Hey everyone, Crazy Canuck here again in the beautiful Missouri Ozarks. It's time to get started with some of the seeding. It's first week in January and I'm going to get a head start on some peppers. I've got some hot peppers like the Carolina Reaper. I've got some seed saved from the Tasmanian Red. I got from Baker Creek. I've got cayenne long thin pepper, the Ozark Giant, and one that I can't pronounce. So I've mixed up a seed starting mix. It's pretty much half and half of peat moss and perlite. I've got some trays here. They've got 4 dozen per tray. These are really difficult to find. I got the ones with no holes in them. And I used to use the 72 cell inserts, but I couldn't find any, so I've got these. So I might have to do a couple more trays. I also got the results back from the analysis for the black soldier fly frass. And it turns out that it's extremely high in potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. So I'm going to add just a little bit to the seed mix, just once everything's germinated, to give them a little head start. I'm going to get that all mixed up and get these trays filled. I've also got my traditional old horizontal blinds made into my seed markers, plant markers. So I'm going to get some of this stuff all done up here, and I'll come back. Okay, this is the frass that's been screened with, I think it's a 7 or 8 micron stainless screen. This is when you feed a lot of organic waste to the black soldier fly. That's what they do with it. So what I think I'm going to do here is I've put a little bit of seed starter mix in the bottom. I'm going to lightly put a little bit of the frass in, almost like a midway point, so that when the roots get down there, the plant is more or less already established and it just gets a little bit of feed. And then I'll just fill it up. Sometimes it's easier when you're doing a commercial, you got the space for it and you just pile it on. But I'll just try and be nice here. Not make too much of a mess. And this perlite I'm using is from last year's trials that I did, and from the seed starting, using just the perlite and a water level bottle, which works really good. But this time I'm going to use seed starter mix. All right, so that's that. I'll level it all out. I'm going to get the seeds in place and I'll come back. Right, so I got the seeds in place. I've got the cayenne and the Ozark Giants, and there's a couple cells like this one here that I put 2 seeds in, just in case one fails. I've got a backup. I can always transplant one. So now all I'm going to do is go along and just poke them down a little bit, just like that. And once that's done, load it up a little bit more on the top. and call her done. So I'm going to take these and water them, and then I'm going to put them in my one of my bug rooms where the temperature is kept a lot higher than normal, and they should come up in probably about a week. They should break ground with the extra heat. So I'm going to get all these all done up and get them in their nice warm place, and we're off to the races for 2023. So another short video, and as usual, like if you like, subscribe if you haven't, and go grow some food. Talk soon.